Hi, this is Lee from Dog and Bone Australia. This is a quick demonstration video on our new Galaxy S6 Wetsuit impact case. Today we're going to run through a couple of key features that we've been getting asked a lot of questions about, and I'm going to basically demonstrate the sound ability on speakerphone as well as the music played from the phone with the case on. So let's just give you a quick demonstration on the actual sound. Nice and clear and loud. So as you can see, that's extremely loud, nice and clear, and look, we've worked very hard to get the sound to a nice optimal level with the case on, and this is something other brands, other waterproof cases don't quite get right. A lot of people have been asking about the Galaxy S6 sound quality on speakerphone, so I'm going to give you a quick demonstration video on how the sound quality sounds on the speakerphone. So we'll get a call going to Paul and see how this sounds outside. Stick that on speakerphone. There we go, as you can see, nice and loud and clear.
Hi Lee, how you going?
Yeah, Paul, how's the weather outside, mate?
Outside, beautiful today, nice and warm. Quite hot for a winter's day here in Queensland, but not a cloud in the sky. Fantastic.
Okay, excellent. And the sound quality on your end from me is nice and clear?
Sound quality, yeah, perfect, crystal clear.
Okay, so that's a quick demo on the speakerphone quality on the Wetsuit for Galaxy S6. Thanks for listening to this. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook channel, and hopefully get one of these in your hands. Thanks very much.